Now I'll put the fly in. Undo that nut. The fly sits there. Lift the top plate a tiny little bit. Not much, we're going to drop everything out, which we don't want to do. And that, the fly is up and into there. Right, we'll tighten that down. That's a strike side train we've got in. That wasn't as hard as I thought. The other side's going to be a bit of a mess. Right, I've still got to put the hammer lift lever in, which goes in there. So I think the fly's going to fall out for sure. So we'll just check it and see how far we can go into it. If we can get that. Got to come round that way. Under that spring. Get it into there. Got him. We might have only just lost the fly out of that. That's not too bad. A little bit of pressure on the plate, bring him up. No, third wheel's dropped out. I'll take the fly out for the moment. Check the other ones are in properly. Star wheel. Pretty delicate work with these really thin pivots. Got that. See what we got. That's got that right. We can put the fly back in again. Pivot in there. Tighten that down a bit, not too much, we've got to check it yet. Okay. That's the strike side. You can see everything's turning freely there. Right, now we'll go back. And we'll put the escape wheel in. Loosen that nut a little bit. Escape wheel sits there. Oop, moved him. That is a bit hard to see. There. And down to, loosen that a little bit. little bit of flexibility in the top plate so we can move it. Things are going to drop out, we'll put them back in again. Now we'll get it's in there, that's right. So we'll put the escape wheel pivot in. Whoop, dropped out the end. That's got him there. It's certainly a bloody hard thing to get in this escape wheel. We're getting there, but down a bit more. Over a bit more. Loosen up a bit more, if that's what it wants. And bring it down to there. Have to get the first wheel much in position, and then the escape wheel. That is a damn hard thing to get into place. And it shouldn't be that hard. We just don't want to lose all the other pivots that we've aligned. And the second wheel. Is really hard to get in. First wheel. Let's come out. That does not seem to be right. Well, the first wheel's dropped out. Down the bottom down here. This is a real demon of a thing to get together. Well, that was fun. We've finally got all the pieces in here. Going side train. Moving smoothly. And the strike side train. Right, next we'll put the verge in, which goes there. We'll have to take the back cock off. We'll put the verge in there. Then we'll start putting the rest of the movement together. We'll put the barrel springs in. If you want to learn how to service, repair and restore 19th and 20th century mechanical clocks, then subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.
Good morning.